Hey guys, it's Winston here. Today is October 15. It is now 1:59, almost 2 p.m. And I just want to give a quick update. Lately, I have been doing a lot of, not a lot, but some of the printing jobs. I did a couple more flyers yesterday. A couple days before, there was a video about a customer print the flyers, and then she expect something else. She said okay when I hand her the sample, and then later found out that's not what she wanted. The funny thing is that she came back yesterday. She called me yesterday and then told me that that flyer turned out great. She got 3 clients because of my flyers that I printed out. So the paper type and quality is probably not she expected, but she did use that flyer and then got 3 clients out of that, and then she came back for more. And this time she wanted to use the same paper, and then instead of printing one flyer, we have to cut it in half. We shrink it down and cut it in half. So I made about like 80 pages of the flyer, and we cut it in half. It's 160 pages of total, front and back. Yeah, I gave her a good discounts. So I'm surprised that she came back, and then she asked for more other printing job in the future. She said she want to make magnets, and she want to make the flyer and then and the yard sign. Yeah, so I mean it turned out great. So just want to update on that part. And also today's topic, I want to talk about what is it like. Oh, I got a customer. Be right back. Hello.
Do you guys sell stamps here?
Yes, we do. A sheet of 20.
Not a lot. Or how do you guys sell? Oh, like that?
Yeah, it's a the booklets.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll do that one.
Is she?
Yeah. So yes, please. You say thank you right now? Thank you.
No. Here, we can have this. Is that solver? Solver bowl?
Thank you.
It spins.
Wow.
Would you like a receipt?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
And then can I actually leave this here?
Yeah. It will actually go out later. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
so,
cool.
After you put one, and then you can just put it right here. So my mailman comes around 3-ish.
Oh, okay, cool.
Alright, so where was I? Yeah, so today's topic, I want to talk about what is it like to be a business owner compared to an employee. So I quit my job on March 8th, and it has been 7 months. And what does it like to be a business owner compared to as an employee working for someone else? So I want to say the biggest difference is you have control of pretty much everything. You have control of pretty much everything. You don't ask for advice. You don't, as a business owner, you don't ask for advice. Basically, you have to give yourself advice. And if you don't have the answer, you have to find it by yourself. And which is a good thing, because you become a more of a problem solver. So when you don't have the answer, you will be very up to it, and then look for the answer and try to resolve the problem. And also the best outcome, the positive outcome is you have the control of your life. So what do I mean by that? It's basically no one tell you what to do, and you can make your own choice. You can decide what to do at work, and the more effort you put in to your job, to the position, the more rewarding. You get more rewarding when you have customer come in and then appreciate you of what you did, of what you do for this community. And yeah, there are customers just great customer when they come in and I will say, you know, I'm really glad that you open right here. It's just by my house, and then we need this package. We need the printing here. There's no copy place around here. They give you a different. You get a lot of opinions of the customer, and the more you listen, and you will try and do your best to serve them. And also, every day when I come to work, I'm excited. It's not like going to, compared to my old job, you get tired of it. You know, you get tired every time you go to a, because I was an installer, you know, I was AV install audio video technician at the time. So compared to my old job, it's different. You get to push around, I would say, maybe, yeah, to go here and there, and they change the schedule on you, and then you know, and their schedule sucks, you know, and then basically you're waiting for the command of what to do. Owning a pack and ship store, the pros are you have control of everything. You have control of your schedule. You can set your own time, and let's say you want to open at 9 or you want to open at 8, and some store opens at 10. So in the morning, it's usually not that busy. Like from 9 to 11, sometimes it's not that busy, and you'll start get busy around like 11, and 11 and noon time, and afternoon there's a lot of drop-offs. So anyways, I want to say that you get to control of your own time when the store is closed or open, and you have control of what service that you want to provide. Basically, you have freedom, and then no one tells you what to do, and you get to control of your own time, and you decide what you want to do for your business. And what are the cons about being a business owner? So being a business owner, I'll say the cons are you can't control your customer. There's no steady income. You have to you know, be prepared of what's the worst that could happen to your business, or you know, at the end of the day, sometimes there'll be no customer at all, and there'll be no sales, no customer at all, and then there'll be some bad days, but there'll be some good days and great days, you know. So it fluctuates, but that's the whole point of starting your own business. Once you have your own business and you get steady foot traffic, you get steady like customer base, and you have bunch of, let's say you have leads and you have customers just come every day, and then your income is basically steady, and it won't be too far, you know. Let's say if you make like 20,000 or 30,000 a month, and if you keeping at that pace, your store will only grow. It won't decline unless, you know, unless your customer service is bad or something. But yeah, that's the whole point of owning a business, is you have control and you decide what you want to do for your customer, and then the better service you provide, the more referral you're gonna get from word of mouth. So I know that I am only like 6-7 months in, and it has been a slow but gradually incline on my growth, but I'm still really excited about being a business owner, and I want to share this journey with you guys on YouTube, so I can you know, documenting it, so you guys can see me, you know, either grow or fail, you know, who knows. But I'm doing my very best every day. I don't just come in and just sit there, do nothing. Oh, so yeah, that's what I'm about to talk about too. When you are a business owner, you don't just come in and sit there, do nothing. and expect something to happen. You have to make something happen. You have to search, Google, use ChatGPT, type out letters, send business cards, flyers, letters, and just get your the words out of your business. Social media, everything, all the platform that you can think of. That's your job every day. That's my job when I come into the store. I try to find a way to find new clients, get more exposure of my business, and that's the reason why I do YouTube as well. I want to reach out to all the customer I can, or even the business owner. I know that people who watch my channel are mostly pack and ship owners, or who want to open a pack and ship store, or something it has to be related to my business or to this channel. Otherwise, I don't know why YouTube will recommend my video to a 20-year-old. It's a different platform, different audience. So that's what I mean. Different audience. My audience, it's gonna be somewhere around mid-30s to 40s and above, or even younger generations like 20, 25s, but they want to start their own business. They probably search something up, and my channel will pop up. So yeah, so that's anyways. Aside of that, I want to say that your job as a business owner is when you come in to work, you have to find something new every day. Have to do something different every day to make your business grow. As for the 9-to-5 job, or as an employee, if you work at a job that you get salaries, you get steady income. You'll get your monthly income from your salary, from your employers, and then you pretty much do whatever that they tell you what to do. And the only positive thing I can think of is just the steady income, and then and healthcare. As a business owner, you don't get healthcare. You have to buy your own insurance. You have to buy your own healthcare insurance, and sorry about that. As a business owner, you have no insurance. You have to buy your own insurance. With employers, you get insurance. You get coverage from your employers, and you will also get holidays. Holidays is off, and you get bonus. Some business, some company will give you a yearly bonus at the end of the year, right? And you will have Christmas parties, Halloween parties, and you will get your vacations. Some company will give you a 2 weeks vacation per year, and which is nice. And if you work more than like 3 years, sometimes you get 3 weeks off, and then and then your PTOs, you accumulate your PTOs. So there are pros and cons of on each scenario. So, but I want to mention the reward of being a business owner compared the reward working for someone else. It really make a big difference if your business is successful. So if let's say I have a vision that if my business work, I'm hoping that's my goal. I want to maybe reach to a $500,000. $500,000. It's to be honest, it's not that far. It's not a big goal, I'll say. To some store, there are store like Postal Routes, they're doing 5 mil, right? And there are other stores like in like ship it in Las Vegas, they're doing you know, half a mil to almost a mil per year. So it really depends how much you want to make and how much and what effort that you want to put in to make it happen. And do you think, if you ask me, do you think it is worth it to own a business, and then the effort that you put in, and then you make half a mil after the growth? You may be making like 300,000 a year, 200,000 a year. I think it's worth it. But unless you are working for someone else and they give you a very good salary, you getting paid I mean, there are companies that pay like 200,000 per year, right? So it really depends. But if you are working for someone else, there will always be something that comes up at work, and you won't be happy because you have to listen to what the boss say. So I mean, that's just my thoughts, and I just thought this is a interesting topic. So yeah, to sum it up, I'll say that's the main difference between you know, be your own boss and then working for someone else. Yeah, tell me what you think, or is it any other if there's any other benefits or pros and cons that you think I missed, let me know, and put down in the comments, so I can know what you guys think. Okay. So on my last video, I made this toilet paper, right? And then with shrink wrap, and I just found out, it's very coincidentally that I saw Packing Stuff, the YouTube channel Packing Stuff, Rob. He also got a toilet paper shrink wrap, and someone made it for him. So it's just a coincidence, because I was watching a YouTube video of like how to make sublimations on the toilet paper, and then I saw this, you know, I just saw the toilet paper in his channel, and with shrink wrap and also the ribbon on top. I just thought it's so coincidence. Yeah. Anyways, I also thought of a very good idea. I want to show you. Maybe I can do it right now. I'll show you guys what I want to do. So this is another one that I made, and then it's not shrink wrapped yet, but remember those poly bags I bought, and there were like a couple designs. I want to put it in one of those poly bags and then shrink wrap it. I want to see how it look like. I bought this poly bag with a reindeer face on it, and I just thought it would be cool if I put the toilet paper in it, and then you know, cut it open, shrink wrap it. Anyway, I'm gonna do it now. I don't know if it'll work or not, but I'm hoping it will work. So yeah, let me turn the camera down. Okay. And flip it over, the same reindeer, and it says Merry Christmas right here at the bottom. And this one's the clear. Which one do you guys prefer, the clear one or this one? Let me know. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and hit the like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.